a place to call our own. The streets are overcrowded and there is no place to roam.
I was diagnosed with stage 3 ovarian cancer when I was 13, and so it helps a lot to come here because I get to meet kids my age that also had cancer, so I know that I'm not really alone and there's other people out there that I can talk to about their experience and kind of know that I wasn't the only one feeling like that when I was going through treatment.
Camp is a place for kids of 7 or older to 18. They can come and they're either a survivor or a family member of a survivor. And they can come for that 1 week. They're actually a kid. They're not sick, you know. They're just like everyone else. I'm an ex-camper myself, and I've continued to come back here year after year.
We wanted to provide a unit for the kids here at Camp What You Want to Do so they can get inside and really experience some activities and simulate what it's like to go camping in an RV. In addition to that, we wanted to make a financial commitment to the organization so they can help these kids really kind of forget about their everyday battles and some of the odds that they're facing right now.
First and foremost, it's the right thing to do. We're the leader in the RV industry. We have extensive relationships and partners. This is an area where we're able to contribute, unlike anyone else. Bringing kids closer to the lifestyle of being able to RV, being able to spend time outdoors, also to give their families a bit of an opportunity to get a break from what's a very difficult time. This is ways that we're able to work with families and support families and bring them closer to the lifestyle. And hopefully reward and give these kids an experience that's a chance of a lifetime.
The overall experience of camp is like really fun and interesting. We get to like meet with our cabins, we get to bond with our like group really well, and our counselors really help us out. We get to do tons of fun stuff like a giant swing, rock wall climbing, canoeing, all that stuff, so it's really cool.
It's inspiring, quite honestly, to see kids with sparkles in their eyes, no matter what situation they may be coming from. The energy, the optimism, the bonds that are made, it's fantastic. These are opportunities that kids are getting, you know, for 1 week out of the year in order to, quite honestly, feel normal and be a part of, you know, kid life.